Hello you beautiful crypto people, welcome back to another chart analysis. Starting off with Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, you can see we've been trading inside this parallel channel line for a good few days and we just can't seem to break out of this. You can see there's been multiple attempts at the top and yeah, we just can't do it, man. But I do love where it is now. You can see here, oh god, it's literally just formed. I haven't looked at the screen since I sat down to record this video, but we had this little bounce here at the halfway line, which I like to see, and we've had a second bounce, which is just happening right now at that halfway line, which is what we want to see. If it fails this center line, you could see another retest of the bottom at about 26,600 for Bitcoin. But if it can bounce off this, and maybe we're going to have another go at trying to break this again, which would be very nice. And also, it's just a trade opportunity here, not financial advice. You know, that's good for 3.3%, 3.4% to the top again. So you know, little opportunity there for a cheeky little long, not financial advice. But I still very much like the look of Bitcoin at the moment, especially if we can bounce off this. I love what I'm seeing right now. That is lovely to see that, rather than just like a big shit the bed down back to the bottom. But we're not seeing that at the moment. It's quite nice. I'd love to see it break the 28,600. That'd be beautiful. And yeah, we'd be off to the races. Actually, it's going to a different time scale. It's a bit easier to show you. Here we go. This is the daily chart. Look at this. You can visualize this a bit better from here. It's trying to get up to this next price range up here. That's what it's trying to do, and that's what it done in the past. It was sitting in there quite comfortably before it crapped the bed, just under 30,000 US dollars. But it just can't break it at the moment. But I wouldn't be too worried about it. This is a normal thing. After a huge move like this, you know, it's cooling down. Look at that, huge move up. It needs to cool down. And it's cooling down here at the resistance. Done the same here. Huge green dildo up. Cooled down for a bit. A little bit scary there. But then it done the same. Cooled off. Done the same. Are we going to see another cool off before we get to the next stage? Only time will tell. Now let's go over to the weekly. Some nice stuff on the weekly here for Bitcoin. Look at this, mate. You love to see it, don't you? So we had a brand new weekly candle close. And I love what it's showing. You can see in the part, again, comes back to the cooling off. You can see in the past, when we had these amazing shots up, it's cooled off. We've just had another amazing shot up. What's it doing? It needs to cool off. People are taking profits. That's what they're doing. And then they take their profits and then they load up again. And we go for the next stage. Actually, that's a bit too big, that one. It's round about here. Say round about here. But just remember, these call-offs, that's normal behaviour. You're not just going to see crypto go crazy to the moon like that. You might do. In fact, we have before. One right there. Oh, God, got the wrong thing out. It does happen. But these call-offs is what is expected. This is normal. There's real money involved in this. People want to take their profits. And that's what we're seeing. But these call-offs also lead me to believe, if we go back to the 4-hour chart, I love the 4-hour chart, there is a possibility we're going to see another retest at the bottom of this channel. If we were to break this channel on the downside, that's when everyone should hit the panic button. But I don't think that's going to happen. I'm feeling quite confident at the moment. Everything seems pretty good. And man, I love that. I love what it's doing there. That is so cool. Once I've finished recording this video, it's not financial advice. I lose a lot of my trades. Just putting that out there. But you put stop losses in to protect yourself. But this is looking quite nice at the moment. Right, what else can we look at? Let's have a look at the MACD. You can see on the hourly, on the 4-hour, we're not overbought, not oversold. How are we looking on the weekly? Yeah, we're approaching oversold territory on the weekly. So we might see a little bit of relief. Very likely. And also not very likely. You never know. I'm not a fortune teller. Okay, so Bitcoin, yeah, it's looking good. I'm happy with that. Happy with Bitcoin at the moment. Let's have a look at one of my favourites that doesn't perform very well, XRP, but it has been performing pretty well. It's looking quite nice. As much as I'm interested in XRP, it needs to bloody explode and finally give the XRP boys and girls something to celebrate. But look where it's stopped. It's had its little explosion. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. If you look left here, let's get rid of this. If you look left here, look how important this range is. All this trading volume, all this support from the past. Bit of resistance from the past. And it's hit it again as resistance. Not what we want to see, as it's been stopped again at this important region. But I am looking forward to, or if it can break this, I think it will. And look, once it's broke this in the past, it's like straight lines. Look, support, doosh, shoots straight off it. Here, broke it, doosh. Broke it there, crap the bed. It seems like a really important area, this one. So I'm really excited to see what XRP can do once it breaks that. We do also have speculation of a win coming for Ripple in the SEC lawsuit. I'm sure that would create a pump and a half, but it is speculation. You know, we're looking at the charts here. Oh, I don't know what happened there, if it disappeared on me. We're looking at the charts here. The charts are looking good. Got a tool out, that's why it disappeared, I think. Yeah, we're looking at the charts, and the chart is looking really good. Alongside Bitcoin looking good. If Bitcoin does good, everything tends to do good with it. Actually, having said that, XRP has kind of been outperforming everything recently, which is nice to see. Very nice to see, even though it's down 1.3% today. But like I said, we're in the cool-off period. Let's have a quick look at the hour chart on XRP. I don't think I've had a look at this for a while. We are clearly creating higher lows, which I like to see. We're definitely in an uptrend in XRP. It's just nice to see some love going XRP way recently. Have we had a look? Let's look at the monthly. I think, from memory, the monthly's looking really nice. Yeah, I like the look of that. I love how this support that I've drawn, the little orange line here, I love how that support has been held here throughout the last few months, several months. And what I love about last month's close is if we look left here all the way from January to February 2021, we closed above these here. And this point here in 2021 was back when we were all poor and depressed from the bear market we've just all been through. And then instant relief. Look at that. Over 2 months. Whoosh. Straight to the highs. The old bear market highs. Before crashing straight back down. Remember, take profit, people. I missed out on a lot of gains back then. So yeah, XRP is looking beautiful. I'm excited to see what XRP is going to do in the coming month. Don't be surprised if we see a little downside again. After such a heavy move up, you're bound to see a little bit of sell-off. So that's probably what we're going to see coming up. I wouldn't be too surprised if we saw some downside to about 48 cent. Could happen. Based on how it keeps making higher highs, maybe not. But, you know, it's out there. Maybe put some buy orders down there. Not financial advice. But I do think the XRP community is going to be pretty happy soon. Hopefully. So thanks for watching, everybody. There's your crypto update for today. Well, Bitcoin and XRP update. Not the old market, but things are looking good. Things are feeling good. I feel like the tables could be turning. It's been a really rough bear market. Hopefully you've all made it through it. Hopefully this is the end of it. Might not be. We'll have to wait and see. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.